everyone, I'm Daniela and welcome back to Black Cat Kitchen. It's day 10 of the 12 days of Christmas cookies, and today we're making the classic Snickerdoodle. These delicious chewy sugar cookies are rolled in cinnamon sugar before they're baked. They're perfect for a cold winter's evening, or anytime really. Let's get started.
You'll find a list of ingredients and measurements in the description below.
Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
To a mixing bowl, add 227 grams or 1 cup of softened butter. Start that creaming together so that it's nice and smooth. Make sure to scrape down your bowl before adding in any other ingredients. To your softened butter, add 200 grams or 1 cup of sugar and 100 grams or half a cup of brown sugar. You want these to completely combine. Once they're really creamed together, scrape down the sides of your bowl before adding in 1 egg and 1 egg yolk. Once the egg yolks have been mixed in, add in 6 grams or 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. In a bowl, combine 380 grams or 3 cups of flour, 7 grams or 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and 3 grams or half a teaspoon of salt. You'll want to give that a mix so it all comes together. Gradually add your dry ingredients to your wet ingredients. The dough should be nice and firm so that we can easily roll it. Into a bowl goes 35 grams or 1/3 of a cup of castor or superfine sugar and 8 grams or 3 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. Mix them together really well so that the sugar and the cinnamon are thoroughly combined. I'm using a 2 tablespoon cookie scoop. I'm scooping my dough right into my hand, rolling them into balls, and then dropping them into the cinnamon sugar. Make sure they're fully coated before placing them on a lined baking sheet. You can put them as close together as you want at this stage. They need to chill before we bake them.
You'll want them to chill for at least an hour. Mine chilled for about 3.
Once they've chilled, place your cookies on a lined baking tray. You'll want to leave a fair amount of space between them.
These are going to bake for 12 minutes until the edges get nice and golden.
And here they are, the classic chewy Snickerdoodle. Enjoy!
Thank you so much for watching, and if you've missed days 1 through 9, check out my 12 days of Christmas cookie playlist here. And if this is your favorite cookie, make sure to give us a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any more. See you tomorrow.